In this video, I'll show you how to install the Liberty City Preservation project in GTA 5 with a complete download guide and graphics comparison. Check my video description for these mods link. Right click on the script hook 5 and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. I click on the game and select open file location. Open bin. Drag and drop all these files inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Go back. Open heap adjuster, turn off these files inside a game folder, replace file destination, and then go back. Open the package limit adjuster, turn off these two files inside a game folder, replace file destination, and then go back. Now open the graphics mod, open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager and make sure these three are installed and then close. Select the edit mode option and select yes and drag and drop this one inside. Select the install option and select mods folder and select confirm installation. Once installation done, close up here. Do the same thing for all others. Every time you need to select edit mode and select the yes option to drag and drop this sand pod and that pod. Once this installation done, go back, open this game config, open this folder and make sure you are in GTA 5 mods update update.rpf common data and select the edit mode and select yes option. Drag and drop this XML file in this XML section. Once this done, close stuff here and now you can open the GTA 5. Once you are in game, navigate to this location, docks. Once you navigate to this location with your car, using the car, drive through this mark and press E to ship this vehicle to Liberty City. And you are in the Liberty City. And the same way you can go in this Liberty City to Los Santos using this docks. Navigate to this point and once you are in this point with the vehicle, press E to ship to Los Santos and you will get back to the GTA 5 and I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.